every day's a celebration.
They can never stop us. Bangasi vale mageta rufara skela mkii.
Game like a toy, you so special.
I'm here to work hard. Teenage being a chami dambo. Itiba zwenda dera chingo dera zwami shasho.
Welcome to the Van Rap Radio. You're watching the Hustlers Corner. Yeah, man, it's your Hustlers Diary. This is how they push their music. This is how they put their hustle out there. We give you some exclusive. You listen to some music. Usatu vakana one of the but we trying to connect the fans with the artist. Yeah, man. And then if you still thinking, how do we get hold of this guy? Come on, guys. I'm available online. I'm available on Twitter, Ninema. I'm available on Instagram, VanRapRadio _Nema. Or you just hit me up on WhatsApp, 0826937124. Facebook, Nemo Mahongoni. Mara, we not about that. We about the brand new song dropping tomorrow on the 27th of October. The track from Blaq, it was of Hovhilingana. So it's a very man. This guy is bringing that trap, that hip hop, that vibe thing. He's creating his own lane of sound. Like you can tell, or he's different from some of the sound in Razifaka Van Rap. Come on, because if you know Van Rap have that uniqueness sound. It's not the same like each and every rap beats and all that. But you could hear that. Okay, this is the Van Rap. Okay, this is what. He's also coming with that sound when he does his things. He does it to the best of the best out of the rest. So nothing at Damba. Let me just give you a bit of this track. But Fezori, a track is of the Wudi Chikotamba Afanoni, Iko Tambi Sahani, Kotangana Mini. What the heck? What the heck? What the heck?
Look at my drip, look at the whip. I got my squad, we're about to get lit. Look at the drip, look at the whip. I got my squad, we're about to get lit. Orbiting up. Orbiting on, 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 orbiting on.
Yeah, man, that's the track Hovhilingana, Blaq feature MPhee. Otangana na December. This is the next track that I'm going to be jamming right now. Because, like I'm saying, when you see me, you'll be hearing, I'll be playing some dope music with venda. Because as always, I'm always doing this thing. Blaq dropping a brand new song. Make sure that you go get it, stream it, download it, buy it. Nah. Make sure that you do support music. Let's support the artists. Let's push this thing. Nessa number zone. Amara here. If you're looking for love, you log on to www.arijole.co.za. Meet some nice women, some nice guys. Go out on a date. Get some cup of coffee. You know what I mean? Amara here. Nda.